Today I'll give you a quick overview of how to use Jira for project management. Visit Atlassian.com and search for Jira. You can start with the free version, click on Get It Free. Choose between Confluence for document management and Jira Service Management for development and operations. Sign in with your account, and after signing up, fill out the form with your project name and answer a few questions. Create a new project, choose a template like Scrum on Kanban. Name your project and click Create Project. Customize your dashboard. Here you can see your roadmap and existing projects. To create a new project, click on Projects and select Create a new project. Add issues to your board, for example Google Sites tutorial and Jira tutorial. Manage tasks by changing their status. Move it to in progress or done. Integrate other tools if necessary. Click on Apps at the top and explore additional apps like Google Drive or Slack to enhance your project. Use epics to group your tasks. For example, an epic could be create 100 videos, assign tasks and set deadlines as needed. Access project settings to manage categories, issue types and automations. Create rules for automations like closing epics when all stories are completed. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.